I've been driving all night. We got tired, so I stopped at the Howard Johnson, used some of my points, got the room for $44, and now we're gonna try it. Howard Johnson, here's the door. Forced air, chair. It's a little dated, but it has a microwave and a refrigerator, king size bed. I think they tried to do some upgrades. Suitcase. We have the accessible room because I want to make sure Trevor takes a full shower. It's gonna do for tonight. Carpet, I hate carpet, but guys, for 44 bucks. Let me look out the window and show you.